Hello, this is the Frayer model on angles by Xander Gage. So today we're going to be learning about corresponding angles, as said right here in the middle, corresponding angles. So the definition of corresponding angles is a pair of angles formed on the same side as the transversal in the same position. On the next slide, I'll give you an illustration or some characteristics. So right here we have our illustration or characteristics. So our characteristics would be one angle is interior, the other angle is exterior. So an example would be angle 6 and angle 2. Another example would be angle 5 and angle 1. Since one is on the inside or between the two parallel lines and the other is on the outside. However, they have the same position along the transversal. As you can see, 6 is on the inside angle, and 2 is on the inside angle along the right side of the transversal. 5 is on the outside, or on the inside, and 1 is on the outside, but on the left side of the transversal. Same thing, but 5 is between the parallel lines, 1 is outside the parallel lines. So just some more examples for you. Like I said previously, angle 1 and angle 5, right here and right here, those are corresponding angles. Angle 6 and 2, as said, right here and right here are corresponding angles. Angle 7 and 3, right here and right here are corresponding angles. Now, it doesn't matter that the 7 is below the parallel lines, as long as there's one on the outside and one on the inside along the same side as a transversal line. Again, right here, this line going through the middle is our transversal. Same thing applies for angle 8 and angle 4. They're on the same side of the transversal. One is on the outside, one is on the inside. And we also have some examples of non-corresponding angles. So like angles 1 and 3, yes, they're on the same side as a transversal, and yes, one's on the inside and one's on the outside. However, they're not in the same position as like angle 5 and angle 1. Those are on the same position of the same angle along the transversal line. Similar to angle 4 and angle 7. Yes, technically one is on the outside, one is on the inside, but they're two different positions. Same follows for angle 8, angle 5, angle 6, and angle 5. The angle 6 and angle 5 would just be two linear pair, or these would be vertical, but we're only worried about corresponding angles. And that's all we have for our Frayer model on corresponding angles. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.